Hello all, welcome to Learn Automotive. I got a comment like in your videos you are explaining about UDS, then you are jumping to OBD, then again you are into the automotive, that is the particular components explanation like throttle, like that. So what exactly it's how can I learn on what is the cue for it, like that. I got a comment, so for that I am making this video at the initial stage only to make you more comfortable on learning. Okay, so first I have created these kind of playlist like UDS protocol, CAN protocol, then automotive components, OBD protocol, then REDDC, that is UDS that is under UDS will have the REDDC information, then embedded concepts. Okay, so now why these many you have to understand, that is the first question, and how you can correlate. Say for example, if you want to work on UDS protocol, then you have to understand the services like whatever we are explaining, right? So in that services you will request with say 19 you are requesting in the snapshot data, you are expecting for the response for the snapshot data. So in the snapshot data you will get the parameters like throttle cushion you will get, or RPM you will get. So you have to understand, you are in a place to understand how the RPM relates to the accelerator pedal, how these are all correlated. So that is the purpose. You have to be understand like what exactly the RPM is, what is the throttle position is, and what would be the percentage of the throttle position. So if you understand, say for example, one more example I can give that I thought to give you in some other videos. Yes, anyhow I'll give you the introduction part on that same. Say for example, if you are flashing the software, so their bootloader will comes into picture. You have to understand about the bootloader. So once the flashing successful, that is the secondary bootloader jump to the application part. After the application part, they have you, it's your responsibility to do the ECU reset. So here UDS protocol comes into picture. All right, so in ECU reset you have soft reset, hard reset, and key off on. Sorry, okay, so soft reset, hard reset, and key off on, these are the three subfunctions are there. So if say there is some problem with the main processor, then what will happen is the watchdog timer comes into picture. So what the watchdog timer will do, the watchdog timer will reset, that is do the soft reset to make the bootloader to comes into picture. So here see how many concept has been interlinked. Here you have the bootloader, here you have the watchdog timer, here you have the ECUs, then here you have the UDS protocol like soft reset also comes into picture. So all these three comes into picture. So for that you have to understand all these. Bootloader also you have to be familiar, ECU reset also you have to be familiar, then watchdog timer also you have to be familiar. So this is what the reason I have trying to give all the concepts parallelly. So if you spend time in these, and this playlist will be really helpful for you to understand with the cue. Okay, so if you follow this playlist, yes, definitely you can understand so many things, and you can correlate, so that it will be really helpful from the initial stage only. So if you keep on learning one concept, definitely in the one concept there will be another interlock will be there. So you have to understand that also. So that's what I'm trying to do. And yes, if you understand, you can hit a like. If you have any suggestions, or if you have any more comments, you can leave in the comment section so that everyone can look into. Thank you. We'll get back to you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.